Davido continued rehearsal ahead of his show at the O2 Arena coming up next month, March 5th. Anyway, we all know that Davido is good, and we all know that already it's a sold out. It's going to really be a massive time out at the O2 Arena. Davido has been one of the Nigerian artists that has been giving us hits back to back without looking back. Like, he has been delivering wonderful songs for the past 10 years non-stop. Anyway, this is a little highlight of the backstage where he was rehearsing. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Drop a comment in the comment section.